Hey, good morning. So, warm air does indeed rise. We've heard it a million times, and today we're going to see it right before our eyes. So, here's a list of what you need for today's weather experiment. First, a clear plastic bottle, a balloon, two large bowls, and hot and cold water. I have one small and one large bowl, but it'll do. So, you want to take these bowls, put warm to hot tap water in one and cold tap water in the other. You can add some ice in it if you want, but really just basic water will work just fine. Then take your clear plastic bottle and put your balloon on the opening of the bottle. But before you do so, you want to blow up this balloon a couple times so it gives it some stretch and some flexibility for the experiment to be done. And simply, you just place the bottle with the balloon in the warm water, and you'll be noticing that this balloon is starting to fill up with air. This is the warm air rising. So what's happening is these air molecules in the bottle, they're spreading out, they're stretching out, and they want to quickly move away from each other. They're expanding and they need that more space. That's why the balloon blows up. And this is because it's becoming less dense and lighter. But watch this. Once we put this in the cold water, that balloon deflates almost instantly. And that's because then all those air molecules, they're contracting, they're shrinking, and they want to become closer together so that air deflates out of the balloon. And this is due to the air molecules becoming more dense and cooled and moving closer together. So it all is that relationship between the temperature and then, of course, the density of the air molecules. So what's important to note here is that the mass stays consistent. So the only thing that is changing is the density and the temperature. And you can do this experiment time and time again. As you can see, that balloon blows up again. Now, it won't blow up real huge or pop or anything, but you'll notice that that air is gaining in the balloon and then deflating once those air molecules become more dense. So the warmer water, less dense and lighter, they spread out. The colder water, more dense and heavier, they come closer together. So really cool for today's weather experiment. If you try this at home, send me pictures on Facebook. I'd love to feature those on my Facebook page.